Hey guys, welcome back to Projects with Pinki. Today's project is an on-the-fly headdress, so it doesn't get any more basic than this. It's what you're going to do when you're on the festival circuit and you didn't pack your favorite headdress, but maybe you overpacked on jewelry just a little bit. So what we're going to use in our project today is a necklace. We got some feathers and some hair ties. That's about it. It's literally all you need. So if you got hair, I know you got a hair tie, because you got to keep that out of your face when it's sweaty and you're dancing your butt off. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to just roughly part the top section of our hair, right? Like if we were going to do a cute little half updo. So part all that, get it out of your way just for a moment. So we'll use a little clip. Then we're going to take our necklace. So make sure it's facing out, and you are going to clip it over your forehead and under the hair that you just parted. Now you're going to unclip your hair. You're going to take all of your hair up into a bun. This is not this hard. I'm struggling for some reason, but it's not this hard. Somehow I'm making it harder. So you got your bun. You got a dope headdress going on. If your necklace hangs a little bit too low and you want to get it up a little bit, all you need are a couple of hair clips or even bobby pins. So if I don't want it over my eyes, I want it up just a little bit, so I'm going to go and clip it out of the way. Flip it up just a hair. Get your bun nice and big and beautiful. And add your feathers. So these are pheasant feathers. They are some of my favorites. I use a lot of these on my really grand headdresses, but we are just going to use them in today's most basic on-the-fly headdress. And there you are. It's that easy. So you got your feathers sticking out, you got your little warrior princess headdress going on, a big bun that keeps your hair up off your neck on those hot summer days, and you can pair it with a pair of awesome earrings. These are probably my most favorite earrings that I own. They are from a tribal belly dance jewelry and costume maker. Her name is the Verdant Muse. On Etsy you can find her. Oh, I love these. They go to pyrite and little quartzies or little, what are those little diamonds called? I forget what they're called. Anyways, so then, dress it up a little bit, earrings. You could even just start adding a little paint. So you're gonna get that whole festival vibe going on, and I love this because it is so easy, it is so basic, and it does not require anything but a necklace, hair ties, and a hair clip. So that's all you need to have a headdress for the next festival. It doesn't have to be anything grand. Sometimes they can be hard to fit in your bag or your suitcase, and I totally get it. So that's why we have created the on-the-fly headdress, necklace, hair tie, feathers, some clips. That's it. You're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed this video on how to make an on-the-fly headdress, and I hope you have a lot of fun making your own. Please send me some pictures because I would love to see what you guys have come up with. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and until next time on Projects with Pinki.